Are you in the market for a budget-friendly gaming laptop that packs a punch? Then look no further, because the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 might exactly be what you're looking for. This powerhouse comes equipped with the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050, offering an impressive balance of affordability and performance. Let's dive straight into the price. Right now, you can grab this laptop for $599. However, taking a quick peek at its price history reveals that it typically hovers around $699. This price tag, while tempting, isn't necessarily a bargain. But if you can stretch your budget just a little further, there are better options out there. For instance, the Acer Nitro 5 with the i5-13420H could be a smarter choice if you're willing to splurge a bit more. We even have a detailed video on it, so you can weigh the pros and cons. But if you're steadfast on staying under the $600 mark, you want to keep a watchful eye on price fluctuations, as it might occasionally dip back down below $600. Now let's talk performance, because ultimately that's what really matters, right? Inside the TUF Gaming A15 is the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS, a 6-core 12-thread processor that can boost up to a swift 4.55 GHz. For a budget gaming laptop, this CPU offers more than enough firepower for your everyday gaming needs, multitasking, and even some light professional tasks. Pair that with the NVIDIA RTX 2050 with 4 GB of VRAM, and you've got a GPU that won't break the bank but still delivers solid gaming performance. While it doesn't compare to higher-end models, it supports DLSS and can handle a wide variety of games with ease. So how does this laptop perform in real-world gaming? In Valorant, one of the most popular competitive shooters, the TUF Gaming A15 crushes it, consistently delivering around 140 to 150 FPS at 1080p on high settings. This means you'll frequently hit the laptop's maximum refresh rate of 144Hz, giving you a buttery smooth gaming experience. But what about more demanding titles like Red Dead Redemption 2? Well, even here, the TUF Gaming A15 doesn't back down, averaging over 50 FPS at maximum settings with DLSS turned off. And if you want to push the limits even further, enabling DLSS can boost performance without sacrificing visual quality. All in all, this laptop punches well above its weight class, offering respectable performance despite its lower-tier GPU. When it comes to display, the ASUS TUF A15 delivers a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. This is a must-have for any competitive gamer, as it ensures that fast-moving gameplay looks crystal clear and you can react with precision. Given that the RTX 2050 is more than capable of reaching high FPS in games like Valorant, you'll actually feel the full benefit of that 144Hz screen. On the RAM and storage front, the TUF Gaming A15 comes with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM, which for most users is perfectly adequate. However, upgrading to 16 GB will give you a noticeable performance boost, especially in multitasking and more memory-heavy applications. As for storage, the 512GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD offers fast boot-up times and near instantaneous game loading, but I highly recommend upgrading if you plan to install a lot of games. A larger SSD will not only give you more space, but also enhance overall system responsiveness. Connectivity-wise, the TUF Gaming A15 doesn't disappoint. It's loaded with an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack on the left side. On the right side, there's another USB-A port. Whether you're connecting to a monitor, external storage, or peripherals, the ports are more than enough to keep you well connected. To wrap things up, the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 offers incredible value for a budget gaming laptop. It can handle most games at 1080p with solid frame rates, making it an excellent choice for gamers who want performance without breaking the bank. If you're ready to make the purchase, simply scan this QR code to check the current prices on Amazon right now. And don't forget to grab the upgrades you need, whether it's a RAM kit or a larger SSD. Links are also in the description box below. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!